Welcome to the Kathmandu urban agglomeration, a city where ancient traditions and modern life intertwine. This metropolis, the heart of Nepal, beats with vibrant energy, woven from rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking beauty. Today, we uncover the secrets of Kathmandu, exploring its geography, economy, and rich cultural heritage. Imagine a valley sculpted by ancient rivers where the land tells stories of eons past. Ringed by emerald hills that rise to meet the heavens, these natural sentinels have witnessed the passage of countless generations. This is the Kathmandu Valley, a place where the ancient and the modern coexist in a delicate balance. A verdant bowl cradled within the mighty Himalayas, it is a sanctuary of lush greenery and towering peaks. The Bagmati River, revered as a goddess, meanders through its heart, reflecting the sky's hues and the valley's soul. To the north, the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas stand as silent guardians, their presence a constant reminder of nature's grandeur. For centuries, the valley's fertile soil and strategic location have attracted settlers, traders, and conquerors. Each wave of newcomers has left its mark, creating a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Today, the valley floor is a patchwork of urban sprawl and agricultural land, a testament to the balance between man and nature. The bustling cityscape and serene farmlands coexist, reflecting the resilience and adaptability of its people. Temples and stupas dot the landscape, standing as symbols of spiritual devotion and architectural brilliance. These sacred structures are not just places of worship, but also repositories of history and culture. The valley comes alive with vibrant festivals where traditions are celebrated with fervor and joy. These events are a testament to the enduring spirit of the people, their connection to their heritage, and their hope for the future, as the first light of dawn touches the valley. It reveals a land of contrasts and harmony, a cradle in the clouds where the past and present are forever intertwined. Kathmandu is Nepal's economic powerhouse. From bustling workshops to gleaming financial towers, the city pulsates with entrepreneurial spirit. Tourism, drawn by the Himalayas and cultural treasures, forms the backbone of Kathmandu's economy. The city is a major center for manufacturing, producing textiles, carpets, handicrafts, and electronics. Trade plays a vital role, with Kathmandu serving as a crucial link between Nepal and the world. This economic dynamism has fueled rapid growth, transforming Kathmandu into a bustling metropolis. The Kathmandu Valley has long been a magnet for humanity. Today, the valley is home to millions, a number that continues to swell. This rapid population growth presents Kathmandu with one of its greatest challenges. As more people seek their fortunes, the pressure on housing, infrastructure, and resources intensifies. Yet, amidst this urban sprawl, the spirit of community thrives. Families live in close proximity, sharing limited space and resources, showcasing resilience and adaptability. Kathmandu is a city in perpetual motion, a whirlwind of construction and development. Everywhere you look, there are signs of growth and change. Cranes dot the skyline, and the sounds of hammers and drills fill the air. The city is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and expanding. The city is expanding, both horizontally and vertically, a testament to its economic vitality. New high-rises and residential complexes are springing up, transforming the landscape. This rapid development is a sign of progress, but it also brings its own set of challenges. Traffic congestion chokes the city's arteries, and the air is heavy with exhaust. The infrastructure struggles to keep up with the growing population, leading to daily gridlocks and increasing pollution levels. The streets are often clogged with vehicles, making commuting a daunting task for residents. The demand for housing far outstrips supply, leading to informal settlements. Many people are forced to live in crowded, makeshift homes without basic amenities. These areas are often overlooked in the city's development plans, creating a stark contrast between the new and the old. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. The spirit of the people remains unbroken. Communities come together to support each other, and there is a palpable sense of resilience. Children play in the streets, and neighbors gather to share stories and laughter. Investments in public transportation, affordable housing, and environmental protection offer a glimmer of hope. New projects aim to ease the burden on the city's infrastructure and provide better living conditions for its residents. Green spaces are being developed to offer a respite from the urban chaos. The story of Kathmandu's urbanization is a complex one, woven from both progress and its unintended consequences. It is a tale of ambition and resilience, of challenges and opportunities. As the city continues to grow, it must find a balance between development and sustainability, ensuring that progress benefits all its residents. Kathmandu is a city steeped in spirituality, where ancient deities are woven into daily life. The air is thick with the scent of incense, and the sound of temple bells echoes through the narrow streets. Here, the divine and the mundane coexist in a harmonious blend, creating a unique atmosphere that is both vibrant and serene. The city is a living museum where every corner tells a story of faith and devotion that has been passed down through generations. Temples grace every corner. Their intricate carvings and prayer flags are testament to enduring faith. Each temple is a masterpiece of art and architecture, adorned with symbols and motifs that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Nepal. The prayer flags, fluttering in the wind, carry the hopes and prayers of the people to the heavens. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship, but also centers of community life, where people come together to celebrate, pray and find solace. At the heart of the city lies Kathmandu Durbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic square is a treasure trove of ancient palaces, courtyards and temples, each with its own unique story. The square is a bustling hub of activity, where locals and tourists alike gather to admire the stunning architecture and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. It is a place where the past and present converge, offering a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Kathmandu. High on a hilltop perches the majestic Boudhanath Stupa, known as the Monkey Temple. This iconic landmark offers panoramic views of the Kathmandu Valley and is a symbol of peace and enlightenment. The stupa is surrounded by a complex of shrines and temples and is home to a large population of monkeys who are considered sacred. Visitors come here to meditate, offer prayers, and enjoy the serene beauty of the surroundings. On the banks of the Bagmati River lies Pashupatinath Temple, one of Hinduism's holiest sites. This sacred temple complex is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is a major pilgrimage site for Hindus from all over the world. The temple is a place of profound spiritual significance, where rituals and ceremonies are performed daily. The banks of the river are lined with ghats, where devotees come to bathe, pray, and perform last rites for their loved ones. The atmosphere here is one of deep reverence and devotion. Kathmandu's spiritual heritage permeates every aspect of daily life, from home rituals to vibrant festivals. The city is a melting pot of different religious traditions, where Buddhists and Hindus live side by side in harmony. Festivals are a time of joy and celebration, with colorful processions, music, and dance filling the streets. In every home, daily rituals are performed with devotion, keeping the spiritual flame alive. In Kathmandu, the divine is never far away, and the sacred is woven into the very fabric of everyday life. Though Kathmandu is a bustling metropolis, it is never far from the embrace of nature. The valley is a verdant oasis, ringed by emerald hills, offering respite from urban chaos. Shivapuri National Park, with its rich flora and fauna, provides a natural escape. The hills of Nagarkot and Fulchoki offer panoramic views of the valley and the Himalayas. These surrounding hills are vital lifelines, providing fresh air, clean water, and refuge from city pollution. Preserving these natural spaces is essential to Kathmandu's survival. Kathmandu faces environmental challenges posed by its own success. The air is thick with pollutants, a reminder of human impact. Rapid deforestation has left hillsides vulnerable to erosion. The once pristine rivers are now polluted by sewage and industrial waste. Water scarcity is a growing concern as the population swells. Initiatives to promote sustainable forestry, improve waste management, and conserve water offer hope for a sustainable future. Navigating Kathmandu's streets is an adventure, a sensory overload of sounds, smells, and sights. The city's arteries are a chaotic ballet of vehicles, pedestrians, and animals. Tribhuvan International Airport serves as the main gateway to Nepal. Within the city, buses, microbuses, and tempos ferry passengers along crowded routes. Motorcycles weave through traffic with daredevil agility, while cycle rickshaws offer a slower pace. Despite the challenges, the city's inhabitants navigate this urban labyrinth with remarkable adaptability and resilience. Kathmandu experiences a climate as dramatic and varied as its landscape. Summers are hot and humid, with the monsoon bringing torrential downpours. Autumn brings clear skies, crisp air, and breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Winter brings cool temperatures and occasional frosts with stunning mountain views. Spring arrives with a riot of color as flowers bloom. Kathmandu's climate, with its distinct seasons, shapes its rhythms of life and influences its culture. Kathmandu is the political heart of Nepal, home to the seat of government, parliament and Supreme Court. The Kathmandu metropolitan city is responsible for the administration of the city. National politics casts a long shadow over Kathmandu, impacting infrastructure and environmental regulations. Political demonstrations and protests are common, reflecting the city's vibrant democracy. From student activists to trade unionists, people from all walks of life make their voices heard. Kathmandu, as the nation's capital, reflects Nepal's political landscape with its challenges and potential. As we conclude our journey, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. Kathmandu is a city of stark contrasts, where ancient traditions collide with modernity, and beauty coexists with environmental challenges. We hope our exploration has given you a glimpse into the heart and soul of this remarkable city.